You want to start your makeup journey, maybe for personal use, maybe because you're building a career as a makeup artist. But then you walk into a makeup store, or even scroll online, and the prices leave you wondering, do I have to spend hundreds of thousands before I can even begin? The answer is no. Today, I'm going to break down how to build a full makeup kit on a budget, what you actually need, what you can skip for now, and how to shop smart. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan for building your kit without draining your account. Step 1. Know your goal. Before you even start buying, ask yourself, am I building this kit for personal use or for clients? Because that makes a big difference. If it's just for personal use, you can work with fewer products and experiment with what suits your skin tone. But if you're building as a professional, you'll need a wider shade range of foundation, concealer, and powders. That doesn't mean you need every shade right away. You can start with a few universal shades, then slowly expand as you get more clients. For example, if you're in Nigeria, you can start with 3 foundations, 1 light, 1 medium, and 1 deep. You can always mix them to create more shades. Step 2. Start with the basics. Only makeup brands want you to believe you need everything at once. But as a beginner, all you really need is foundation, concealer, powder, brow pencil or gel, mascara, eyeliner, a simple eyeshadow palette, blush, lipstick or gloss. That's it. You don't need 5 highlighters, 10 palettes, or 30 lipsticks right now. Think of this like starting a small kitchen. You need the pots, not the fancy gadgets first. Step 3. Choose multi-purpose products. This is where budget makeup artists save the most money. Worst most. Look for products that can serve multiple functions. For example, a brown eyeshadow can double as contour. A nude lipstick can also be dabbed on the cheeks as cream blush. A shimmery highlighter can also work as eyeshadow. Even a concealer 1 shade lighter can double as an eyeshadow primer. Every time one product replaces 2, you save money. One of my students started with just 1 palette that had nude shades, blush tones, and shimmer, and she was able to do full bridal looks without owning 20 palettes. Step 4. Affordable but quality brands. This is the part many beginners get wrong. They think expensive automatically means better, but that's not true. Drugstore brands like Maybelline, ELF, NYX, and Milani. They've proven that affordability doesn't mean poor quality. And if you're in Nigeria, we have amazing homegrown brands like Zaron, Tara, and House of Tara. They are beginner-friendly, easy to find, and they cater to our skin tones beautifully. The trick is not to buy based on hype, buy based on reviews and recommendations. Step 5. Build gradually. Here's a mistake many beginners make. They want to buy the whole kit in one day. Please don't do that. Start with a simple set. Maybe foundation, powder, brows, and lipstick. Then, after your next paycheck or client job, add mascara and blush. Next month, add an eyeshadow palette. This way, you spread the cost over time, and you also get to master each product as you go. Think of it like building furniture. You don't buy the whole house at once. You start with a bed, then add chairs, then a table. Step 6. Invest in brushes and tools. Wisely. Let me tell you a secret. Good brushes can make a 3,000 Naira foundation look like a 30,000 Naira foundation. But you don't need to buy those giant 25-piece brush sets you see online. As a beginner, you only need 5 brushes. A foundation brush or sponge, a powder brush, a blending brush for eyeshadow, a brow brush, a lip brush. With just these 5, you can do almost any look. Later, as your skills and clients grow, you can add more. Step 7. Don't ignore skincare. Here's something beginners don't realise. Your makeup will only look as good as your skin underneath. So, even if you have the most expensive products, if your skin is dry, textured, or unprepared, the makeup won't sit well. So make sure your kit also includes basic skincare, a gentle cleanser, a moisturiser, and sunscreen. It doesn't have to be luxury brands, just consistency. Good skin will save you from wasting makeup and from piling on heavy products. Step 8. Shop smart. Don't just buy products randomly. Look out for sales, discounts, and bundle deals. Sometimes brands sell starter kits that give you 5 products for the price of 3. Also, buy from trusted vendors only. Avoid fake or expired products, no matter how cheap. They can damage your skin and ruin your reputation as an artist. Remember, saving money doesn't mean compromising safety. Step 9. Organise your kit. Another way to save money is to stay organised. When you can clearly see what you own, you won't keep buying duplicates. Invest in a small makeup bag or clear organisers where everything is visible. It makes you look more professional and saves you money in the long run. Step 10. Upgrade over time. Here's the final tip. Your first kit is not your forever kit. As you grow in skill and start earning money from makeup, you can upgrade. Maybe swap out your foundation for a higher end one, or add more professional brushes. But don't pressure yourself at the beginning. Even with a budget kit, you can create amazing looks. So let's recap the 10 steps. Know your goal. Start with basics. Choose multi-purpose products. Pick affordable but quality brands. Build gradually. Invest in essential brushes. Don't ignore skincare. Shop smart. Stay organised. Upgrade over time. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to create a professional makeup kit on a budget. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned, because in my next video, I'll show you how to brand your makeup business, so that you can turn your passion into profit